Welcome back to the channel, guys. XRP's price has taken a small dip recently, slipping below the $2.50 support level after some initial excitement that the SEC had finally wrapped up its long-running case against Ripple. While that news gave XRP a little boost at first, it couldn't hold on to those short-term gains. And at the moment, we're seeing XRP hovering right around $2.47, up nearly 5% over the past week. So, what's next for XRP? That's the big question, and now artificial intelligence is stepping in with some interesting predictions. Before we get to that, you can find a link down in the description below for BTCC. This is a crypto exchange that has a lot to offer. There's no VPN needed, no KYC necessary. You can have up to 500x leverage. It's been around for 13 years. You can actually trade over 300 cryptocurrencies, and by using my referral link in the description down below, you can also get a 10% deposit bonus over the $500 USDT, and that can go all the way up to $10,055 per user. So if you'd like to get started with that, or if you want to research more, you can find the link to it down in the description below. Okay, so several AI models have tried to chart XRP's next moves, and while they all take slightly different approaches, they mostly agree that Bitcoin's performance, overall crypto market trends, and regulatory news will play a major role in where XRP goes from here. So let's start with ChatGPT 4.0. It gives a fairly optimistic but balanced view. If XRP keeps up its momentum, it could trade between $2.45 and $2.65 by April 1st. In a more bullish scenario, say if Bitcoin surges and the market stays positive, XRP might even reach $2.80. But if the market cools off or turns negative, we could see a dip to between $2.20 and $2.35. Overall, ChatGPT sees the $2.45 to $2.65 range as the most likely outcome. Then there's DeepSeek AI, which looks at the big picture. It factors in global market conditions and the regulatory landscape. If everything goes perfectly, positive momentum, no legal hiccups, bullish market, XRP could shoot up between $3.50 and $5. On the flip side, if the market turns sour or regulatory pressures intensify, it might fall as low as $1.50 to $2. If things stay neutral, DeepSeek expects XRP to settle somewhere between $2.40 and $2.60. And finally, we've got the Grok 3 from XAI, which leans more into short-term technical trends. In a bearish mood, Grok 3 sees XRP dipping 1 to 2% daily, possibly landing between $2.10 and $2.25. In a more stable environment, XRP would hold steady around $2.45 without much movement. If things turn bullish, it could gain 2 to 3% a day, pushing towards $2.75 or even $2.95, with $2.85 as a realistic short-term target. So putting all these AI predictions together, most point to XRP likely staying within a range of $2.40 to $2.65 by early April. The worst case scenario, right around $2.10, but the best case, somewhere near $5. So what do the charts say? Well, technically speaking, XRP is in an interesting spot. Analyst Dark Defender recently shared an update on Twitter pointing out that XRP is trading below its median volume level of $2.40. It's still relatively quiet, but if it drops to around $2.22, that could become a bounce zone where buyers step in and push it back toward $2.50. This aligns with Elliott wave theory, where XRP is said to be in wave 4, a consolidation phase that typically comes before a stronger breakout in wave 5. If it breaks past the current downtrend line and gets above the median level, that would be a solid bullish sign. And there's also strong sentiment among XRP traders right now. On-chain data from analyst Ali Martinez shows that 72.28% of open positions on Binance futures are long, compared to just 27.72% short. That's a long to short ratio of 2.61, which means the majority of traders are betting on a price increase. While that kind of confidence is bullish, it can also make the market more volatile. If prices start falling, all those long positions become vulnerable to liquidation, which could trigger sharp drops. So, to wrap it up, XRP is in a bit of a tug of war right now. AI predictions mostly point to steady or slightly bullish price action in the short term, with room for bigger gains if the market turns strongly positive. Technical indicators suggest a potential breakout is on the horizon, and trader sentiment is definitely leaning bullish, but with regulatory news still playing a big role and the broader market uncertain, there's no guaranteed direction just yet. Still, it's shaping up to be a pretty interesting few weeks for XRP. And I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on this, so please share them with us down in the comments below. And again, you can find a link to BTCC down in the description. And you can also check me out over on Blue Sky. I'm at Crypto Atlas. You can find the link to both of those down in the description below. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters, as well as my YouTube members. God bless you guys. Feel free to share this video. It's greatly appreciated. And we'll see you in the next episode.